Hey guys, I'm showing you this electric water gun. It's a 2-pack, 1-button automatic squirt guns pistols for kids and adults. It's a range of 26 feet with a soaker water guns, toys for swimming, pool party, games outdoor or summer activity. So it's a set of two guns with the red and blue. So I'm just showing you the unboxing now. This is the accessory pack. So this have the battery, charger and the screwdriver. So to charge the battery you can just click on this, put this USB. Once the battery is charged you can then use this battery in this box. They supplied the screwdriver. You can open up this, you can then put in the battery. So connect it here with this socket and then you can install this battery inside. So you have to be sure that the charger is charged well and completely, and then you can just put it inside and lock back again. So once this is done the gun is ready to be started, and you have to put in water in here and then put this on the top of the gun. So I will show you that demo and you can just start it. Yeah, and you can see the LED lights, the flashing and the pressure and everything. So we can have a try. So the blue gun is also the same with the same water thing on the top, one on the battery and the pack and charger and everything. So I'm just filling in this water in this bottle. So once this is done I have to put the water bottle on the top of it. I'm just shooting in a bathtub so that you can clearly see the pressure and the gun and the water. So you can see the LED light, the water is the blue light is coming up and there is a water pressure that comes from it. So it's pretty much fun and you can just refill it. Hopefully you can see like the pressure and the height that the water is going, and so this is not even hurting if I put in my hand and see the pressure, but I'm just trying to show you the water pressure. So it's a fun gun with the water squirting. See, there's the pressure that you can clearly see.